Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're exploring TitanVest, a platform found at https://www.titanvest.com, which aims to offer a sophisticated investment experience. Instead of simply providing access to basic index funds, TitanVest delves into a more active management approach. They curate and manage portfolios designed to outperform standard market benchmarks. This strategy involves actively selecting investments and adjusting the portfolio's composition based on market conditions and their analysis of potential opportunities. The platform's target audience appears to be individuals seeking a more hands-off investment approach, but who are also interested in potentially higher returns than passive investing typically delivers. They aren't aiming for the day trader or someone constantly tweaking their holdings. Instead, TitanVest caters to those who want a professional team actively managing their investments, freeing them from the daily grind of market monitoring and decision-making. The website emphasizes a focus on long-term growth and risk management. They suggest a commitment to a long-term investment horizon, emphasizing the importance of weathering market fluctuations. This long-term perspective aligns with the nature of active management, which can involve periods of underperformance as well as outperformance. While TitanVest promotes its potential for superior returns, it's important to remember that all investing carries inherent risks. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and no investment strategy can guarantee profits. Potential investors should carefully consider their own risk tolerance and investment goals before committing to any platform. Furthermore, it's advisable to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor if needed. TitanVest offers different investment strategies tailored to varying risk appetites, and exploring these options is essential in making an informed investment decision. Remember to thoroughly investigate all fees and expenses associated with the platform to ensure they align with your investment budget and expectations.